My name is Vandana Sharma and I am your Science Explorer STEM instructor. We are going to do an exciting and interesting activity today. So, here we go. We need to know a few things. Before we start, we need to collect a few items for this experiment, as we know that there are certain items, there are certain chemicals which can be hazardous. So, always do the experiments under the supervision of any adult or maybe anyone around you who is elder to you. Okay? So, we need pair of gloves, we need tissues, we need dishwash which is easily available in your kitchen. Then we need hydrogen peroxide, which is the important chemical in this reaction which we are going to carry out. Next we need yeast. Then we need any food color. I choose red because it appears to be bright and I love it. So, you can choose any color, any food color from your kitchen, blue, black, anything which you like. We need a plastic dish also, so that you can put the things into it and just get an area wherein you can place everything neatly and cleanly and nothing should spread out. Okay? So, before we start, we should know a few concepts of science. What do you understand by chemical reaction? Yes, as we know that when two reactants mix together, they produce a product and some heat and kind of energy, right? So, there are two types of chemical reactions. One is endothermic and another is exothermic. Endothermic, wherein we have to actually process up our reaction using any heat or light. Okay? But exothermic is the one which releases the heat. Fine? So, the chemical reaction which we are going to do is kind of exothermic. Yeah, I know very well that you are super excited about this activity and this is going to be an awesome experiment for you. So, catalyst, what a catalyst does? What is the definition of a catalyst? A catalyst is basically a substance which speeds up the process. So, when we need to speed up anything, we need to add a catalyst. Here in my experiment, I am using this yeast as a catalyst. Yes. So, can you just guess what I am going to do today? Yeah, yes, kind of exothermic reaction using yeast. Yes, it's elephant toothpaste. Come on, let's do it. We have this soap, liquid dishwash with us. We need to add yeast in it. Carefully we will be putting it. All these things are easily available in the supermarket and gloves are easily available in the pharmacy. We just need to add this dry yeast into dishwash. Once you have added it, simply shake it well. Like this. So, just shake this. Yep. So, we know that hydrogen peroxide, the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. Yeah. So, when it decomposes, it actually creates the products as water and oxygen plus heat is released. So, here this is the hydrogen peroxide. To give it a good color, I am adding this red food color. A few drops will work, but you can add as much as you need. You can see the change of color hydrogen peroxide. Now, when I mix this mixture into this hydrogen peroxide, it actually releases out a foam which is nothing but oxygen molecules gets trapped into the foam bubbles and it comes out like in elephant toothpaste. So, here we go. Yep, you can see the fast reaction. What did we learn today from this activity? Endothermic, exothermic reactions, then decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, catalyst, yes, and here is our elephant toothpaste. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed this activity.